Welcome to our Tech Innovation Lab. Today, I'll show you how our futuristic smartwatches are built, step by step, with robotic precision.
The titanium plates are precisely cut by the laser, then moved to anti-static trays, where our team checks the precision readings for defects. Here, liquid alloys are combined with composite fibers to form lightweight yet ultra-strong smartwatch bodies.
The density is fluctuating after the injection.
I'm compensating with the lever now.
Keep it steady. We need to maintain thermal balance.
Each circuit is aligned and tested for flawless performance.
Every unit passes through our precision quality control system. No detail is overlooked.